Impact of acoustic performance and glazing technology on healthcare facilities. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Watch as we discuss the impact of the acoustic performance of glazed elevations. STC and OITC performance of your glazed elevation. Now, STC is more concerned about sounds within a building moving through partitions from room to room, where OITC is focused on outside sounds moving into the building from the exterior to the interior. So you can see you can control that by varying your infill and varying your frames, but it's mainly driven by the infill. With acoustic performance, sound waves need to be broken up as they start to pass through different material. If you can degrade or break the sound waves down, you're going to reduce the amount of sound coming through. So here on the left, we have our standard curtain wall with a standard insulating glass unit. That has an STC of 31 and an OITC of 26. But now when we go to double laminates, now we've got a laminate layer on the outboard, laminate on the inboard, that increases our STC to 37 and OITC to 30. So by adding the layer of laminates, we've added 2 additional layers that sound waves have to go through, and that begins to break down and deteriorate the sound waves. Now, in this third example, we've got the double laminate IGU on the outside, and we've added a sole sash to the interior. Now, by adding this extra layer of material that the sound waves have to go through, now we've jumped our STC to 46 and our OITC to 33. Now, changing that up a little bit more, we've gone to a high-performance curtain wall system with a 1 3/4 inch insulated glass unit. So we varied the space in here, 2 laminate layers, then a sole sash on the inside that's laminate also. That bumped our STC to 52 and OITC to 42. So you can see by varying the layers that sound has to go through, you start breaking down the frequency. Sound doesn't like to be disrupted. It likes to flow very smooth and easily through materials that it's going through. By changing the pattern and the thicknesses of the materials the sound's going through, you disrupt the sound waves, and that prevents sound from coming to the interior of a building. So if you're located near a shipping yard or a train station or an airport, STC and sound acoustic performance could be a real driver in the way you put together an elevation. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.